Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome to another London session stream. We fixed the tech issues. We are here. We are good. Let me know really quick. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes, maybe. I gotta see you guys. Type. Because otherwise, I gotta fix some more things. Let me know. Waiting for the chat to catch up. Good morning, Emil. Good morning, it's Rupesh. Good morning, everybody. We hear you and see you. Perfect. Thank you, the real Luca. There we go. Nice. All right. Let's dive into the charts, everybody. It is time to cook. Speaking of cooking, I'm still in that BTC long actually from yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. We're so close to passing this account. I gotta be at 5,600 to pass this account. I'm currently at 5,515. Huh. We're gonna hold this. We're gonna hold this to TP. But that's it for my crypto update for the day. Let's dive into the actual charts that we care about. So NQ, let's break it down from the daily. Guys, we are still, this is the daily chart. We are still in this annoying freaking range. If we draw that out here, that's basically the range that we're in right now. And we've been in this forever. It's like a 2,400 point range. And it's annoying. I would finally love to break out of this, but so far that's not happening. This level here, the 24,420 meme level, is actually holding up nicely still, and that's a bit annoying. On the hourly, let's break this down. What happened? Actually, let's go to the 50-minute to break it down. What happened in the overnight session? So we had our daily open right here at 24,710, chopped around that level for a very long time. And then started to drop back down. By the way, I'm still in my shorts. I'm still in my short on my live account. I'm holding this shit. I'm at this point, I'm targeting 24,000. Like, not even gonna lie, 24,000 is what I'm targeting on this short. So it's a swing trade. I'm just gonna hold this. We have our Asia low at 24,803. Asia high, sorry. We have our Asia low at 24,500 pretty much. And actually, this could be a nice GP short that we're gonna get here. If we tap into daily open, which is aligning with the 707 GP, this could be a very, very nice short opportunity. So that might be the play that we're looking for right now. But we'll find out once we actually tap into that. VWAP is holding so far. You see we did slice through VWAP, retested it twice actually, but are holding it so far. So let's see where that takes us. But for me, that GP play might be the play of the day during the London session. We are about 50 points away from it. So let's see if we can get that. Would be nice. ES on the other hand, very much in sync with NQ. GP on ES would be, let's check. Ooh, okay, we are already at the 0.618 GP. The 0.707 GP is going to be 6815.5. So it also aligns with daily open. I like it. I like it. Not gonna lie, I like it. This might be a nice short opportunity. Also, chat, today, I'm gonna give you guys a 50K Lightning funded account. But we need to hit the like goal, okay? Because yesterday we absolutely miserably failed at hitting the like goal. Today, if we hit the like goal, we're gonna do a 50K Lightning funded giveaway. The like goal is 405. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button right now. Get us to 405 likes. Where's AI, Leia? Celine is in Singapore right now. So actually, she's on her way to Singapore. So that's why she's not here today, but she will be back tomorrow. So that's what's happening. Gold. Let's look at gold. Reject the previous day mid. Chopping around right now. Trying to go for new lows here. Daily open was at 5,110 and we got up to 5,200. It's about a 90 point range. Bada bing, bada bong. Let's see. This BTC long is about to hit profit target just about now. Okay, we are $30, $31 away from passing this account. $31 for passing the account. Oh, wait. This is annoying. Let's see. Don't even know what level it needs to be at because 6,999 is going to be too high. Got to keep an eye on it. This looks like it's going to get up there. Coffee Trader, also we tapped GP from yesterday, didn't we? Which one? Where are you measuring from? $23 away from passing this account, chat. That would be my first crypto account. Good morning, Ursula. I'll just let it run. Whatever. How are we doing, chat? Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the day. Put a 2 in the chat if you're not ready, but you're still gonna give it your best. Let's see some 1s. Also, are you in trades right now? Coffee Trader says daily. Daily GP? Give me the levels, dude. I need some levels. Nice, there are the 1s. I've got to spam some 1s too, because I'm fucking ready. I'm doing great. Excited for this stream. Let's see. The Lizard of Oz says no more trades, rage traded and blown all. Dude, London market is open since 12 minutes. When did you do all that? New York low and high GP long took it. Ah, nice, nice. Let's see. I don't think so though. Let's see. Oh, I see it now. See it now. So New York low to New York high. Oh my God, a beauty. It is a beauty, everybody. Look at this. Perfect tap into the 707. Then a nice bump. I wasn't at the charts for that one, but yeah, I see it now. I see it now. Coffee Trader, you're absolutely right. The Trader guys, bro, wouldn't you trail that position? How do you not let the fear of turning winners into losers affect your decision making? You gotta look at it in probabilities, right? Let's bring up this chart again. What do you think is more probable to happen? I am $32 away from passing this account, right? What's the higher probability that we're gonna go up and pass the $32, or that we're gonna come all the way down and blow the account? I think the probability is higher that we're actually gonna go up, especially since 70K is a level that is attracting price right now. And that's why I'm holding, right? But also I have to say, I don't really give a shit about this crypto account because I'm just trading this for fun. I haven't really spent a lot of time day trading crypto. So if it comes all the way back down and blows the account, so be it. I don't really mind. My focus is on my futures accounts. So that might play into it as well. All right, let's see. I want to see from the Lizard of Oz. He says oversized it, simple, and took extra trades for no reason. Tried to rush it and fucked up because of it. Damn, man. Well, on to the next one. Coffee Trader says, I must go, but like is there. Have a nice trading day. That's the spirit, Coffee Trader. I wish you an amazing day. Go crush it. Make some money. And thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to do a 50K Lightning funded account giveaway, chat, if we hit 405 likes. Nicola, where's my AI? She is in Singapore right now getting a software update. Kieran Wolf says, if I'm that close to passing, it's most probable I'm going to blow that account. Well, I mean, if you want to fuck with your mindset like that, you can say these things, but it's not really going to help you. Nah, it's playing games here. Just dropped $300. Come on, BTC. You can do better. You can do better than that. Hell Saint says, you're looking fresh, Nick. Thanks, man. You're looking fresh. I'm assuming. Don't see you right now. Yeah, Leia, speak words you want to be, Kieran. Absolutely. Affirmations, visualization, no joke. Works in both directions. Speak to you in a negative way, you will experience negative things. Speak to you in a positive way, you will experience positive things. You shape your own reality, so. Blah blah, Nick, how do you deal with tilt or negative streaks? Well, where should I start? It's two different things for me. If I have a losing streak, if I'm in a losing streak, I know for a fact, based on historical data, I will get out of it. Because I've had many losing streaks in the past, and every single time I come back out of it stronger. And oh my God, I don't even make my money back. I don't make my money back. I make way more than that back. So I know for a fact I'm gonna get over it, you know? Tilting though is a different story. Tilting to me happens intraday, not because of a losing streak. So tilting usually happens when the market does the complete opposite of what I thought it would, and then I start to chase. However, that's why I have my rule of max 5 trades per day, which I stick religiously to. And I still have days where I fuck that up, to be fair. Right? I still have days where I fuck that up. But usually I get to stick to it religiously. And I tell myself, in the past, the reason why I blew accounts was because I tilted. And whenever I stopped myself from tilting, I would recover from the losses. So would it make more sense to try and make the money back today, or just leave it, walk away, and come back tomorrow? That is the question. Yeah, NQ's stuck now. Emil says, I'm on a new select 50k today. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Kieran says, appreciate it. Passed a growth account yesterday, so very much only taking A+ setups today. Love the psychology. Thank you, Nick and Leah. Nice. Congrats, man. Momo says he only takes 2 trades a day. Yeah, whatever works for you, man. Whatever works for you. You same, Yusuf. I'd rather just take trades on a freaking paper trading account if I absolutely have to click the button. Trader Guy says, I had 2 shorts in New York, both got Nicholas Wigglist. Oh no. $320 for the session, walked away like a boss. That's great trading. Congrats. Great, great, great. Blah blah says, thanks, Nick. And yeah, it is difficult to manage emotions, and walking away when things go wrong is the best solution. At least for me, I don't think there is a way to never experience tilt. No, everybody will experience tilt, you know? Everybody. But you becoming a professional is depending on how you deal with that tilt. And I mean, let's be honest, like for example, I'll show you something. In January, end of January, I posted this. That's my January stats, right? I made $8,870 on my life in January, which was great. February though, sucked. Look at February, taking a screenshot of it right now. Bada bing, bada bong. Lost 5,390. Okay, so January made 8,800. February lost 5,300. But now look at March. 2 days in so far. And we up 8,000. That's what I mean, right? I can be in a losing streak. I mean, in February, I had a lot of losing trades. But in March, I made it all back and some. In the first fucking 2 days. That's why I say, like, you never know what the market gives you. Just trade your system, be consistent, stick to your rules. And if you have an edge, it will eventually work out in your favor. By the way, Celine isn't here today. We have a bunch of time to answer questions. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. I'm happy to answer everything and anything. Let's see how my BTC trade is doing. Oh, it's playing. It is playing, chat. It was so close to passing. Now we are $150 away from passing. I'll hold it though. We hold. Hodl. Fee says, had I not full ported, I would have made back all my losses and then some. Yeah, absolutely. That's why it's important to have daily loss limits, to have a daily max amount of trades that you take. Because it's all about capital preservation. It's all about being able to trade again the next day, you know? If you blow your account, you start from zero again. It's also like a very, very interesting thought. Oh, NQ is dropping now. A very interesting thought that I really love is, let's say my account is at, I don't know, 5,000 in profit right now. And I lose 2,500 today. Looking at the P&L, I see minus 2,500. I'm stressed. I'm like, fuck, no, can't be happening to me right now. But then looking at the account, I'm up 2,500. If I now continue trading and I blow this account, I have to start from zero again. But if I walk away and I come back tomorrow, I get to start from 2,500. So which is easier? Right? That's the thought. You wanna work so that you want to put in the work today so that your future you has an easier start. And if you tilt and blow the account, you're gonna make it more difficult for your future you. If you stop and walk away, it's harder for you right now, but it's easier for you in the future. Leah says, here's the thing though, sometimes we think we can fix our issues overnight. I thought I was adjusting myself this past year, but the truth is sometimes we expect different results when we're still doing the same thing. I mean, what's different now? I'm literally deconstructing myself and rebuilding myself back up, right, brick by brick. Yeah, and that takes time, Leah. It's not an overnight thing. Although we like to think, oh, today, new me, everything starts fresh. I have a new account. I'm gonna really stick to the rules this time. And then 4 days in, you fuck up again. Takes time to rebuild yourself. Yusuf says, I'm going to say something, but promise me it's going to be our secret. She's saying that when you're off the stream, money's printing. Wait, Selina's saying that? Wait. Give me some more context. Aylin says, hello. Emil says, NQ fall. Yeah, it already recovered that whole fall. Pew says, yeah, I agree. Till now, I'm down 7K on my live account, and that didn't itch me. I feel more uncomfortable when I break my rules. I already broke down too much that it's already annoying when I break rules. Yeah, fact. Yusuf. Now I spilled the beans. Now you gotta give me all this, the entire story. Let's see what NQ can do here. Oh, is BTC gonna recover? Nope. No. Bada bing, bada bong. NQ is playing ping pong. We wait and see. Yusuf says, AI took over my Mac. It wasn't me. I'm not so convinced. Leah says, exactly, Nick. That was me beginning of the year. New me, new account, new resolution. I know. I remember your comments. I know there's nothing wrong with trading, but I'm learning how to regulate my emotions in different situations. And you're doing the right thing now, Leah. Suriluki says, Nick, say you don't know, but don't ignore my question, please. What do you mean? Did I miss anything? I never ignore you, my friend. Ever. Aylin, no, NFP is on Friday. NFP is always on the first Friday of the month. Not today. Today, if we go to the economic calendar, we have them services PMI, and that's the only rep folder news. And then you see here on Friday we have non-farm payrolls at 8:30 AM Eastern time. Ooh, is NQ gonna fall here after sneakily tapping just into the 0.618? Damn you, NQ. Oh, Suriluki asked when Tradeify will support TradeC. Sooner than you think. You didn't hear it from me. All good, Aylin. That's why I said it. Dusty Randall, what's up? How are we doing? Nah, Leia, it's actually better. Actually better. Ooh, and Q. What are you doing? By the way, everybody who just joined, make sure you smash that like button, like the actual thumbs up button below the stream, because if we reach 405 likes, we are going to do a 50k Lightning funded account giveaway. So the winner doesn't have to pass an eval, nothing. It's just funded instantly. You make money right away. I see the hearts popping off in the chat, appreciate it, but we do not want the hearts, we want the thumbs up button. G4Geo, where's Celine? She is in Singapore for an AI update, software update. Leah, how better? I see the same features, the only better thing is that they're not keeping it to themselves and licensing to third-party property. It's better. You just answered your own question. Dusty, anybody on here looking at M2K? I'm not. I'm not, but I don't know. Maybe somebody in the chat. Please, good sir, Mr. NQ, can we get some setups? Asia low to Asia high on gold was a nice GP as well, by the way. Very naughty. Let's see BTC. Why is this so laggy? I gotta refresh this. Gotta refresh my page. Ah, much better. So much better. I just had to refresh. That was it. I've been in this trade for quite a while. My average entry was 680. So I've been in this since yesterday. 10:50 AM. Damn. Eastern time. We've been in this trade for a while. I do think I'm gonna pass this account on this trade though. Just gonna hodl. Anybody in a trade? Chat? Let me know. Let me know. Emil is short. I can't trade. Hey Nick, when will trade C come to Tradeify? I just answered that. I said can't give you a specific date, but sooner than you think. Way sooner. JJ Cocaine says, big ups from Canada. Hey, why are you awake, dude? It's the middle of the night. Cheese balls, flat baby, nice. Oski is short. Wax Graham is short at 24.668. Bennett 4. Benito is long. Idris short MES. Casey in for a long scalp on gold. Okay. TV/dash, I was in a short but got out once I saw the 15-minute gap respected. VV Ball, do you have any techniques you use to prevent yourself from tilting? Sometimes I know I have to walk away and I know I shouldn't trade, but I opt to just stay and tilt gamble instead. Honestly, movement. Like get up, do some push-ups, get back to your computer, close down your charts, then walk away. Just hit break even on NQ short, Alexis. All right. Sonic rules, at what point will this GP short become invalid as it touched the 618? For me, honestly, since it was such a close tap on NQ, I still want to see it go back up to daily open and 0.707. And then get a reaction out of it. And that's when I'm going to trade it. Muhammad, you blew the account? No. Were you oversized? Did you tilt or what happened? Feeball says this ping pong action is crazy. I had 670 shorts, got out 670 shorts, got out for 10 points because I got scared. Then I got 620 long and got out because I got scared. Both would have won for over 50 points if I just held. Yeah, but you make money. G for G, you're bringing the voices tonight, Nick? Actually, I think I can't. Wait, let me check. Let me check really quick. Gonna go to my mic. Oh, maybe I can. Wait, let me try. 1 second.
Is this working? Is this working? Let me know. Oh, it is working. It is working. Here you go with the voice. You guys want to do the whole stream in God's voice? I can. Not an issue. Let's see if this BTC long is gonna work out. BTC, I need you to come back up. Come to heaven. We're gonna pass this account. If you say no, we don't want that. Okay, cool.
Let me go back to my old voice then. It sounds so sick.
No, we don't want that. Okay, cool.
Let me go back to my old. Oh, can we pass this account right now? Maybe. Dumbledore says little echo now. Don't worry. I fixed it already. D-Toby says, lol, I was thinking it was a YouTube ad. I love it. Love it. Okay, let me refresh. The like count is currently 187, chat. We need 405. If we get 405 likes, I'm going to give you guys a 50k Lightning funded account. So hit that like button right now, please. Thank you. I love when I can hear the music myself. It's fire. It is fire. Leia says, thoughts on fuck crude. Had I taken the Asia setup, my target would have been 77.65. Let's see, how much is crude up today? 3%. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, almost back at these highs. Okay. Silver is up 2.3%. Ew, silks. Sucks. Ooh, BTC back up to 69507. I think we're gonna pass this account soon. I think I'm gonna pass this account soon, chat. Just need that one final push to like 69,800. I think that would already be enough. One final push, BTC. Muhammad says oversized and sub limit glitched through. Do not oversize. Shabam, are metals open for trading in Tradeify accounts? Hell yeah, we never stopped. We never stopped you guys from trading metals because metals are fire. Oh shit, I missed your question before, Mikey. It says no, any good jokes, Lord? I'm not that good in remembering jokes, dude. But if anybody got a good joke, let me know in the chat. Marv882 max payout. What do you mean max payout? Leia says metals are metal. Woo. NQ, what are you doing? What is this? It gives us moves, and also, if we look at volume, volume has been pretty good so far, but it's just not going anywhere. It's literally not going anywhere. Our London range so far from high to low is 77 points, so quite wide. We're just not going anywhere right now. Muhammad, what strategy do you use to trade? Recently, I've been mostly taking GP trades, golden pocket. So fib retracements. Darth Linux says after 2 days of huge moves, it will just consolidate, I guess. Could be. Also in anticipation of NFP on Friday. HE Trader, Nick, when trading on 50k evals, what do you recommend I size my MNQ trades? I see you trade with NQ, but it won't work for my 50k account, I think. General rule of thumb, which technically is still oversized, but I think it's responsible trading on prop accounts, is 1 micro per $500 of drawdown. So if you have $2,000 of drawdown, trade 4 micros. If you have $2,500 of drawdown, trade 5 micros, and so on. Wig Sweeper, dad joke. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Actually, no. Fun fact. I have no idea why. But this joke, I remember this joke so randomly, like every other day. When I'm on a walk or when I'm under the shower, I just randomly remember this joke all the time. And probably because of 6, 7, I don't know. Patrick, good morning. How are my pancakes? Raven says, nah, 20 micro full port 50k account. I mean, look, if you like losing money, go for it. Wait, Patrick, you had some this morning and you didn't make me any? The fuck? The fuck? Leia says, I'm still gonna have my protein pancakes for brunch. Oh, that sounds awesome. Can you make me some, please? Hey, Pavel. What's up, man? How are you doing? Bakshish, have I tried pancakes with ketchup? No. And I won't. Oh, BTC coming back up. Chat, we're witnessing history here. Nick M. Trades passing his first ever crypto account. You'll send them via Uber Eats, Leia? I'm taking you seriously if you say something like that. Speaking of Uber Eats, this Friday, we're gonna Uber Eats sushi during the New York stream. And then we're gonna do a sushi mukbang. Also, we're there. That, close position. Close position. No! 5,598, what the hell? Okay, I gotta get back in. Ah, damn it, what was that? Annoying. Annoying. Baby trade. We almost hit 5,600. Yeah. Come on now. Back at 5,600, but I'm afraid to close it. But I can move it down here. Come on now. Give me my TP. Emil says, money gone. Not yet. We need to pass the account first. Week Sweeper, what platform are you using for BTC trade? Tradeify Crypto. Tradeify Crypto. We do have a crypto prop firm too. So if you go to crypto, app.tradeifycrypto.co. Oh, we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it, chat. We're gonna hit it. Yusef Gold TP hit. Nice. Congrats. Very nice. Leia, you know that there was a Swedish ketchup and a few years ago they said that ketchup went well with everything, even pancakes, and there they were eating pancakes with ketchup in the ad. Chat, we got it. Money gone. Passed my Tradeify Crypto BTC account in one singular trade. Actually 2 trades because I got back in. But I'll count that as one trade. So I'm a funded crypto trader now, I guess. I'll figure out how to activate this account after the stream. Thanks guys. Risky for the tick. I would be lying if I told you I knew. I'm still trying to figure it out myself. But I traded this with 0.3 lots. So 0.3 BTC USD lots got me to pass this account. Cal Rest, what platform do you trade the crypto on? As I said, Tradeify Crypto. Tradeify Crypto prop. Wig Sweeper. Damn, NQ. Pushing all the way back up. Give me my GP now, come on. Cal Restum, no, not on Tradeivate. It's the platform is called DX, I think. DX feed? DX something. NQ coming all the way back up is crazy. The hell saying, is that a 100k account? No, it's a 5k account. DX Trader, thanks, the Visionary. It's literally the smallest account you can get. Oh, I just got an email. Tradeify Crypto, you've passed your evaluation. Nice. Pass your evaluation, action needed, complete your KYC. All right, so I need to do my KYC, which I am gonna do after this stream. But proves how fast we are, guys. Literally passed his account a freaking minute ago and already got the KYC email and the you've passed your evaluation email. Fire. Wyan, Nick, any advice to me who've blown his account after taking out one payout? First of all, congrats on the payout. Second of all, why did you blow your account? Did you tilt? Did you oversize? Did you ignore your rules? Did you try to make it to pay out 2 as fast as possible? Give me some context and I will be more than happy to help you. Patrick Justin, what does everyone use for news looking for something free? I use this. It's called tradingeconomics.com calendar. I like it. You can sort very clean overview. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Kim says London market is the best. Yeah, depends how you trade. This is a London session GP, I think, by the way, which I'm not gonna trade because it's too small. Oh, you mean live news like a Trump tweet? I just use Twitter. M wine job, was it a one step? Yes, it was a one step. Wyan says, it's like after taking one payout, I feel like that account is finished and I trade like an idiot on that. My friend, then you already know what your problem is. You gotta treat this, account differently. And it goes into the same theory that I dropped earlier in this stream. Let's say you get a 100K account to pay out, right? You make 6.5K, you take a payout, you have approximately like, what, 3,500 left in the account? I think so. 3,000 or 3,500. So now you start with an account that already has 3K plus in profit. What is harder to do? Getting this 3K account back to second payout, or completely finishing it, tilting, starting a new account from 0 and getting back up all the way to 6,500? Obviously the first thing. So why would you make your life difficult by treating this account like you're a complete idiot? You got it to pay out. You made that. You did the hard part already. Payout 1 is the hardest payout. So just follow the same rules, same system that got you payout 1, and you will get payout 2. Leah says Forex Factory does the job too, Patrick. Okay. Yeah, Casey, my strategy works the same for future and crypto, doesn't matter. Caleb says, just failed my first ever Tradeify account. Sorry to hear that, but that's part of the game. On to the next one. On to the next one. Everybody hit that like button. We need 405 likes. I'm going to give you guys a 50K Lightning funded account. We're at 222 right now. Angel number 222 right now. We need 405. By the way, if anybody needs new accounts right now, code MAR for March is going to give you 30% off all accounts. Leah says, we're idiots when we're in tilt mode. The key is to identify what triggers us to get to tilt and catch ourselves and act before we tilt. Self-awareness, absolutely. That's it. Clip Central, where do you see London going? Do you think it'll just consolidate? We'll find out in 11 minutes when 9 a.m. UK volume going to come in because Tokyo Stock Exchange closes. Right now, I'm just not interested in anything. This is disgusting price action. That's why I'm just waiting. And yeah, fuck, I'm so confused with wealth charts. It is like, think back to when you first started using TradingView, when you first started using Tradeify, any platform. In the beginning, it's so fucking confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it's super simple, super straightforward. And yeah, what I like to do when I get like error messages or something doesn't work, I just take screenshots, put them in ChatGPT and be like, help please, this is not working, how do I fix it? And then it just tells you how to fix it. Lilesh says moves for 20 minutes, consolidates for 2 hours. Yeah, for real. For real. Gold almost back at Asia high, previous day mid. Anybody still in trades? Momo says pump. Are you in a trade? Johnny says I fucking hate London lately. I'm going quit waking up for this shit. You should just join us for the Tradeify TV, you know? Momo says I've been longs, 24/6, 37 longs. And he's break even with his stop. Alright, I don't hate it. Leah says I hope to never be there ever again. What, in tilt mode? Joseph says, Alea, I think in trading the most important is to have an experience, good or bad, and accept the lessons that the experience gave. Otherwise, we'll just stay on the same place. Yep, that's true. For me, that experience was losing 140k in one day. Not fun. Lauren, do you sell any courses, Nick? Nope. Teaching everything for free here on Tradeify TV. Just ask me whatever you want to ask. Fonda Jabam says, you guys today also won't let me win. What do you mean, man? I know, Johnny, I know. I'm aware. Otherwise, that would have been brutal comments. Darth Linux market is either in free fall or shooting hard. Actually, very hard to trade this lately because you can cut through zones so fast and you do not know how far it goes. Yep. Leia, wait, let me check. Oh, wait, I just missed it because I'm stupid. You said after taking 2k out in 2024, I had another 2k waiting for me to pull out. Just needed to trade small for 2 days. The lack of self-control of their loss was disgusting and lost the account. Oh, I see. Casey, I used to trade on a 1 minute, but I stopped doing it and I'm only trading 5 minute and up. Wyan, I still use the fractal model, just not as often. G for Geo, I actually have a video prepared, long form video. I already filmed it, it just needs to be edited, where I tell the entire story of how I lost $140,000 in one single day and how it made me feel, my learnings from it, key takeaways, etc. So look out for that video. It's gonna be dropped on Tradeify YouTube in about, I don't know, maybe 2 to 4 weeks. Yeah, Darth Linux, GP for main lately. Inicio, honestly, I don't know. You would need to check the help center because I haven't spent much time looking into it. So I don't want to lie to you or give you some wrong information. KC, what made me change to Fibonacci's? Honestly, Brett. I saw Brett trade and was like, holy mother of God, this is crazy. And he taught me the GP, and since then, I'm loving it. Yusuf, 140k, I heard that right? Yes, you heard that right. $140,000 in one single day. It was bad. Patrick. I mean, I could. Hal Saint Nick, can you explain the select daily, please? They may request up to 2x the profit earned between each payout request. What? What do you mean exactly? Juan, yeah, that video is going to be uploaded to Tradeify YouTube and my YouTube channel as well. We're gonna do a little collab post. Easy games, it wasn't fun that it counts. But still, it hurt. Marv882, why is Miriam so crazy in trading? Ask her, I don't know. Although, we also must admit, she knows what she's doing. And it's clearly working. Rena Trades, can you give a brief explanation of how to use Fibs? Yeah, so look, what I do is I trade the golden pocket, which is the zone between the 0.618 and 0.707 retracement. So I take, for example, here, this swing low, right, previous day low, go to this swing high, draw these Fibs, bada bing, bada bong, and then I wait for a retracement into the 0.707 area, which we got right here. And then once I get a 5-minute bullish reaction to it, so after this candle right here, this one, that is when I take longs. And in this case, and I would, so my entry would have been here, stop below the low, like this, and then targeting the 0.5. Right here, TP would have hit very nicely. Patrick says, like you talk about how you almost gave up trading, leans to the free fall, but you had an epiphany, lean on the safe side. I like that. Fast forward to today and how that decision changed your future. Trump got you stuck on the side of a mountain. Follow along for more updates on my story. I like that. It's a pretty good idea. Peter, do you see any good swing long zones on gold? Seems like we sweep most retail for low liquidity yesterday. Honestly, I'm with Gandalf, Vinny, our COO. His thought is that this right here is the high for gold for the next couple of years. And I do think he might be right. I think this is gonna drop further. Not looking for longs at the moment. Got stopped out brutally out of my GC long that I had on 2 days ago. NQ is not going anywhere. Oh, everybody. The chicken is in the chat. Everybody say welcome chicken or good morning chicken. You're a hot chicken. Bench, do you combine the GP with daily bias or trade it either way, Nick? I trade it either way, but I like to align it with the bias. Angus is not doing anything. And Darth Linux. I understand that. Marv, no, I didn't go full time before I made money. That would be very stupid. Momo said, got out, break even. Oh my god, I'm so angry. Understandable. Why, chicken? This is not cyber mobbing. We're all welcoming you to the chat. It's actually very, very generous of us. Everybody's such a kind soul here. And also, you can stop it by just copy pasting the comment that I sent you via WhatsApp. It's all gonna stop immediately. You're gonna transform from a chicken into a cool joker, but until that happens, you're just gonna be a chicken. Marv, I just answered that. Palmer Square, glad that Tradeify exists. Oh, we have 9 AM volume right now. Let's see what happens. Palmer Square, glad that Tradeify exists. If there were only props like beep, I would quit. Beep is scam, and new changes are bigger scam. Tradeify here for the rescue, dude. Wondering Yogi, BTC is pumping, Nick. What was the analysis to your trade earlier? I took that trade yesterday during the New York stream. I hit TP and I don't even care about it anymore, but let's take a look at it really quick. Oh my god, yes, it is. I love that. Back at 70k, chat. Oh, my portfolio is gonna love that. Let me check. 71k. I really like that. Let's see. I like that. Give me 100k again, please. 100k on BTC would be so nice. Yeah, 5 to universe trading. Real Chris B said he analyzed BTC and it's a long, and I was like, long. Leia, how much do you have invested in BTC, Nick, if I may ask? Should I answer this question? I bought BTC in 2016 and I invested 40k. Do the math. I also took out some, so I took out about 80k. The rest is still in it. Okay, NQ just not doing anything. What the hell? What the hell are you on saying? Oh, Leia, yeah, that's what I said. Emil says, oh my god, NQ, I just want out of this. Are you still in, Emil? What's your entry? What's your stop loss? What's your target? You know, for me, chat, this is what I want to see right now. I want to see the 5-minute chart. Tap into the 707 and daily open right here. React bearish to it. Take a short. Stop above the high. Targeting 0.5. That's it. Little 1-to-1 action. Just that. The real Luca, yes sir. But I didn't invest 40k at once. I DCA'd. So average buy-in price was like 7k. Jonathan, good morning. Says, hope you all have a great day. Travel day for me, so have a great session. Thank you, man. Appreciate you joining in. Let's see what ETH is doing. Okay, so Bitcoin is sitting at 70,700. ETH is at 2,057. Nice to see it back above 2,000. We need 4,000 though. And by the way, the real Luca, I still buy Bitcoin every single week. Every single week I buy BTC. Which I still think is the smartest thing to do. Even at these prices. Because Bitcoin is going to go higher, I think. No financial advice. They just reroute money to oil, gas, and crypto and dollar. Generally, metals should go up and not down at war. Yep, generally, yes. Beastmaster. Haven't even thought about that because I look at bias on a daily. I don't really look at it on any higher time frames like weekly or monthly. Palmer Square says, rather buy gold than BTC. No. I mean, I don't just buy BTC. I buy BTC weekly, and then I also buy ETFs every month, as well as Tesla every month. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. ETFs, BTC, and Tesla. And whenever I buy a new iPhone, I invest that amount into Apple. Erastus, where's Celine? She's getting a software update in Singapore right now. Fonda Jabam says like the stream, guys. It makes Nick happy. Yes! And it not only makes me happy, it gives you guys a chance to win a 50k Lightning funded account. You just have to hit the like button, get us to 405 likes, and we're going to do a giveaway. But we are currently sitting at 270 likes. We need 135 more, okay? So we all gotta lock in right now, hit that like button, get us to 405, and I don't mean the heart button, I mean the actual like button, the thumbs up button below the stream. Get us to 405, and then we're gonna give you guys a free 50k Lightning funded account. The real Luca, just hodl, dude. It's gonna go higher, don't worry. Yes, Leah, call everybody you know. Easy games, I haven't really spent time learning about that, so I don't know. Kieran, sorry Nick, had to drop off for a meeting when you started talking about Fibs. Did you talk about Golden Pocket? Would love to know more, but don't worry if you've already covered it. Yeah, I did cover it. Just go back and stream. It's recorded. It's all recorded. Wyan, it doesn't matter how many people are watching now because some people joined in earlier, left the like, and then left the stream. So we can still hit 405. It's doable. You just all got to lock in and hit that like button. We're at 294 right now. We need 111 more. We can all do it, chat. Just gotta work together. Come on. Finch, honestly, I never even cared about that. I just know I'm buying Bitcoin every single week and I'm gonna hold it long term. I'm not looking to sell BTC within the next 20 years, honestly. So I don't care. I'll just buy. $50k Lightning funded account giveaway today, chat. But we need those likes. We need the 405 likes. Come on now. At least get those when NQ isn't doing shit. We're at 307 now, so less than 100. We already did 3/4 of what we need to do. Oh, Fonda Chabam. I would love for it to go to 0. I would buy so much at $1. So much. $383 people watching. We can easily get to 405 with people who left the like and left the stream. We're at 316 now. Come on, chat. Lock in. Let's get those likes up. 405 likes. Finch, in Switzerland, can you hold BTC in a 401k spot or ETF? No, you can't. So it's not a 401k in Switzerland. The equivalent is a Pillar 3A in Switzerland. But you can't, but you can do an all stock portfolio. So I have my 401k like 100% in stocks. And that's performing really well. Over the last 5 years, I'm up like 52%. What is this price action, chat? Oh, God. What is this? How did I enter into this prop firm business? So from 2016 to 2022, I was running my own video agency, and I actually ran that pretty successfully. We were one of the bigger video agencies in Switzerland. And then in 2022, I sold it to the biggest video production company in Switzerland. And then I started a coaching business to help videographers build a successful video business. So basically teaching videographers how to do the same thing that I did. Did that for a couple of years. And at the same time, in 2020, I started trading, and over time got better and better at it. And once my trading income started surpassing my coaching business income, I was like, I could technically just full-time focus on trading because this is fucking sick. And then I did that. But what I didn't realize was when I trade full-time, I'm just fucking bored. Like all my friends, they work jobs, they don't have time. And I'm just, after I make my profit for the day, I'm just sitting here and I'm like over trading instead of doing anything cool. So I thought, okay, I need to do something to not sit around and be bored all day. And right at that time, that was actually April last year, so 11 months ago, Brett posted on Twitter, hey, we're starting Tradeify TV and we're looking for hosts. And I was like, fuck yeah, this sounds awesome. So I still get to trade. I get to trade with other people. I learn from our guests that we have on. And it's a great opportunity, and I'm not bored. And I'm still in the trading field. And I applied for that job. Had a test stream with Matt and Miriam. Pretty much after that test stream, Brett was like, you guys are hired, fuck yeah. And that's my story. Now we're here. We here. Alexander, Nick, I'm from India. Can you please give me a visa to Switzerland? I don't have the power to give you a visa, my friend. Yeah. Marry Nick and get a visa. Lol. NQ, come on now. Can you please just give us a little look above and fail and then drop it to the ground? That would be very kind. Yes, yes. Push it up. Push it up. Push it up to 700s. Please. Patrick, Hakuna Matata, bro. Love it. All right, NQ, come on now. Push it up. Give us an entry. We're at 331 likes, chat. 397 people watching. We can get there. We just need 405 likes. I'm going to give you guys a 50k Lightning funded account. What does that mean? That means you don't have to pass an eval. You're already funded. But give us 405 likes, please. Frank says, you, Nick, and Miriam are a great trio at the open. Lots of energy. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We have fun. We have fun. All right, there we go. NQ, finally. My God. All right, NQ going up. As I said, I'm looking for a tap into the 707, then retracement. Actually, not retracement, but reversal. Get in shorts around the 618 level. Take it down to 650. Make my money. Walk away. That's the plan. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. I like it. Didn't quite tap it yet. Give me a little bit higher. This would actually be ideal right now. Since we just opened here, what I want to see is this wick up here to 714. Then reverse, close bearish around this area. Give us a little bearish hammer. Then enter it short. Target 0.5 or weave up. That would be perfect. That would be absolute perfection. So just give me that, please. Alexander says, it's okay, Nick. Just send me money for the visa. That's not how this works, my friend. That's not how this works. Chat, we're so close with the likes. So close with the likes. All right, we're there, we tapped it. We did tap it. Now we need a reversal on this 5-minute candle or the next, doesn't matter. Bearish 5-minute candle that closes anywhere around like the weekly open-ish area, 680. Then we take shorts. Take shorts down to 0.5 and we're chilling. Hector, VWAP is volume weighted average price. I do a session based VWAP, so from session open at 6 p.m. Eastern time. All right, looking nice so far. 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. I have an eye on NQ as well as ES. We might also take it on ES. I'm happy to do either. Doesn't really matter to me. King says, when I'm done trading, I go gym and game. Hell yeah, man. That's the plan. The thing is, I do the gym before I start trading. Marv, what do I actually do all day besides trading? Go to the gym, go outside for walks, enjoy the sun. I stream on Tradeify TV 4 hours a day. I shoot a fuck ton of content for Tradeify. I play squash, paddle tennis, normal tennis. Go to the spa. All right now, NQ. Give me that bearish candle, please. 360 likes, chat. Come on, we need 45 more. We can do 45 more. Easily. Easily. King, did I catch those longs yesterday? Nope. Nope. Did you? I mean, it sounds like you did. Yes, Adris, my fib draw is Asia high to low. That is correct. $387 points, King. What the hell? Congrats, that's fire. That's a big trade, dude. It's a very big trade. Manoj, I trade NQ, ES, and gold. So 3. 15 RR, King. You deserve your name. All right, let's see if we get this bearish reaction. Francis, the target is going to be 650. Actually 651. Oh, I like how this is developing, chat. I like how this is developing. If you get this 5-minute bearish close, chat, in 20 seconds, we're going to take these shorts like there is no tomorrow. Stop is going to be above the high. This is perfect. This is exactly doing what I said it's going to do. Let's go, please. Come on now. The hammer. The hammer. I love it. All right, taking this. Taking this. We're in this short. Targeting 650. Actually, since 651.25 is mid of the day, I'm gonna target 655 just to be sure. 655. Here we go. And if it doesn't hit, then I'm sad. I would be very sad. Why have I overextended my charts like this? Yeah, King, that's a big fucking trade, dude. Congrats again. Bean Will says, my son is homesick and heard you say what the hell, he then repeated it. LMAO, not his first time saying it, so he was excited to hear it. Say hi to your son. What the hell, Beyonce? What the hell, LeBron James? Where do you set your stop, Troy? Right above the wick. We need some more chat for real. Did I just bottom take that short? 373 likes. We need 32 more. $32 more likes. Come on now, give me that reversal. Give me that reversal, thank you, please. Johnny says, say what the helly? What the helly? What the hell, Beyonce? All right, let's refresh on the like count while this trade is playing out. We're at 382, chat. We need 23 more likes. Come on. We can do 23 more. Yes, Johnny, that's right. It's for a damn Lightning funded account. 50k Lightning funded account. Come on, NQ, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's very hot. Wait, Yusuf, Scary Movie 6 is coming out? Really? Oh, we need 2 more likes, chat. 2 more likes. Hi, we're doing it. We're doing it. Leia says, I wonder if anybody would double or nothing a 50k Lightning account. Well, we'll find out. We got 4 or 5 likes, chat. Let's fucking go. Let's go. So all you gotta do now, if you want to take part in this giveaway, is you have to... let me just delete all the old responses out of this. You have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel. And once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only fill it out once. If you fill it out more than once, you get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. So don't do that, please. And here it is. Good luck. This is for a 50k Lightning funded account. No eval to pass, straight to funded. Chakilnet says first. Let's find out. Yeah, actually, you are actually first. Leia, in case you wonder, you were fourth. So, nah, this trade is not working out. Come on. Thank you. Don't do it. Don't do us dirty like that. Don't do us dirty like that. Just drop it. I know you want to drop it. You want to drop it like it's hot. It's such a perfect setup. Such a perfect setup. Inizio, was I in the top 10? Let's see. Inizio, nope, you were 14th. Unfortunately, my friend. All right, copying everybody over to the Wheel of Names. Wheel of Names. Let's see who wins this 50k Lightning funded. I'm just gonna copy everybody. All right. We got KMDC 2013 at 2103. You were the last one to fill it out. Congrats. All right. Here we go. You guys ready? Spinning it for a 50k Lightning funded account. The Lightning funded account goes to AKK94YT. AKK94YT. Congrats. Now, do you want me to spin the double or nothing wheel for you? Let me know. I see you're in the chat there. You say yes. Do you want to do a double or nothing? You can walk away with 150k Lightning funded account right now, or you can get 2, potentially. You could also lose though. He says, no, I take it. All right, I respect that. We're still in this trade, by the way. Sitting right around break even. So that means AKKYT. All you got to do right now is you got to add your Tradeify email address, so the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts, and add that email address to your YouTube channel description. And then we're going to send you your free account within the next 7 days. Congrats. Congrats. All right, is this trade gonna work out now? Is it? Is it? We'll find out more. Just drop it like it's hot. Please. Thank you. Please. It's struggling. It is struggling to drop it like it's hot. It wants to hold. Penify, how many cons am I in? I'm in 2 minis per account. 2 minis. I'm risking 23 points for 45 points. So almost a 2-to-1. Almost 2-to-1 R. Yeah, King. That's some good advice. The 1 minute can be... The 1 minute can be very fakey. Lilesh on a 150k account. I only trade 150s. With Tradeify. NQ stock up here. It is stuck. We need that drop to come in. For real, Penify AI. Come on now. That's crazy if you think about it. I've been in this trade for 10 minutes now, almost 10 minutes, and we're friggin' 7 points away from my entry. What is this? What is this? Well, chat, I'm gonna let this list. Can I talk? Maybe sometimes. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let this trade play out, and I'm not gonna move anything. Gonna leave my stop. Gonna leave my TP, and either it hits or it doesn't, which both is fine. But put a W in the chat if you loved today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated it. I appreciate you so much tuning in every single day. And we will be back today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. Make sure you tune into that. We're going to have some banger giveaways there too. And then, of course, tomorrow for another 8 a.m. London session stream where I will have the AI back, AI Celine, which is going to be nice. So see you either later today or tomorrow. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy your day.